Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing the song Outside by ZAYN. It's on the new album, and we're gonna play this with basic chords. Just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning and put your cap on fret number 4. So we're gonna be playing this as follows. C is the first chord. You are strumming this to string number 2. Okay, so that's 5, 4, 3, 2. And then we go to A minor, and then G, and we're still strumming to string number 2. Of course, for G, the bass is string number 6, so that's 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then D minor. D minor, we strumming 4, 3, 2, 1. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. So that's C to A minor, G, and then D minor. To live my life outside, live my life outside. Alright, and that is it for the verse, the chorus, the second verse. Let me just check if there's like a bridge where the chords change. Now, if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. It's in the description below, the like button. And yeah, that's been it for this tutorial, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.